Hey guys, welcome once again. Today we'll be discussing this part. Actually, this is ratchet wheel. It's a kind of gear, and we will be discussing in detail about this part today in PTC Creo 7.0. Here you can find some of its orthographic views. Here is the main data that has been furnished in this document, and I will select this as my front plane. Here you can find I need to go up with this smaller circle. You can see this hidden line. Actually we call it as a construction line, and its dia is given as 32 and outer construction line is 40. So I'm going to take this front view, go for extrude and draw circle diameter, and it is extruded up to 6. So what I'm going to do is go for symmetry, mark 6 and extrude. Now I'm going to draw this teeth, and they have given some references. So let me choose this center, this front plane, and go for extrude once again. Now I'm going to take this reference, switch off the plane, change to hidden line. Now I'm going to draw this construction line. This construction line is dia 40. So this is my construction circle. So this is 40, which means 20 in radius, and you can find here they have given this line is 4, and another center line which is offsetted at 60-degree angle. So just plot one center line and go for 60-degree angle, and switch off this construction mode, go to line, draw one line here and connect these two circles with this line. Go for arc. Here you can see this is an arc. It is connected with R23. So what I'm going to do is go for 3-point arc, select this point, and plot here approximately, and change this to 23. Now I'm going to project this circle and go for delete segment, delete this part, and remove this part. So my one tooth is ready. So here you can cut one tooth, then pattern into 6 times. So I'm going to make this symmetry once again, go for 6 and click OK. Now I need to make a round. For that you can see here all dimensions are millimeters. Something where is the fillet. It's R 0.5 into 6. Okay, so go for round. It's already in 0.5, so no problem. Okay. So I've done 2 operations. So I'm going to make these 2 operations axis pattern. So select this round, extrude, right click, and select this group, so that it becomes single operation. So if I select this group, my fillet as well as that that extruded tooth will get selected, highlighted, and then go for pattern, axis pattern, and select this axis. Go here, my number of members is 6, and click this 360 degree and click OK. Now it's all done. Go for regeneration. So here I can find 5 things aren't regenerated. It's all round. Actually round is not getting pattern, so I'm going to delete this. Now I'm going to pattern this along. Go for texture, pattern, axis pattern, select axis, go for 6 and change this to 360 degree. Now I'm going for round. Separately I'm going to make everything blunt. Okay, then click OK. So it's all ready. Now change this view, so you can find the outer sketch is almost over. Now we can go for remaining part, and here you can find one extrude, and the circle is of dia 12 and it is extruded for 1 mm. So select this surface, draw a circle of 12, and here I'm going to change 1. Now going for the teeth, 2, this is going to be the counter board. So opposite to this extrusion you can find one counter board, and its data is given here. Yeah, this is of same counter board size. This is 12 and this is 6 through. So I'm going to go ahead and select the surface, go for an hold, switch on the plane. Now in placement, place this to one flip here and one flip here. Go for offset, go for a line so that it becomes concentric. Make sure this is concentric, and then simple, go to standard, change this to counter board. In shape, my major dia is going to be 12, my minor dia is going to be 6, minor is going to be 6, and this is going to be 1, and then up to this surface and click OK. Yeah, it's all done. So this is the final part. So what I'm going to do is that go for view, appearances, change color, double click. That's it. So my part is ready. So this is what they have given here. So this is the part. It's very easy. So please try this in PTC Creo 7.0 for better experience. And thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel for further complex videos. I'll be discussing PTC Creo, SolidWorks and AutoCAD, both 3D and 2D as well. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video.